Everyone, look at this. He's made an appearance. Well done for showing up on time today. Very proud of you. I'm really excited for this week's craft. We are making nature crowns, which is something a bit different, but I thought it would be really good for anybody of any age to be able to participate, because we can make these as simple or as complicated as we want to make them. All you need to do is, when you are going for your daily walk, you need to hunt to gather your sticks and your bark and anything else you would like to stick on top of your head. Is there anything else we had to say, Guion? I think that's everything. You will need a piece of card, sticks, ribbon, glue and scissors, and a pen. I always forget something. When you've finished, you want to aim to look as decadent as me. Step 1. Measure your head, but not like this, using the ribbon or a tape measure if you have one, or something similar that will wrap around your head. Step 2. Mark the measurements out on a piece of card. Adjust for how thick you want your crown to be, then cut it out and check it fits nicely around your head. Step 3. Lay on the glue really thick on one end of the card and stick it down. You really need to be patient for this to dry, because we're adding quite a lot to our crown, so it needs to be secure. Whilst I was waiting for mine to dry, I added some weight to it. Step 4. After giving my glue plenty of time to dry, I then went on to adding the sticks. Seriously, you need so much glue for this to stay on, and you need to give yourself so much time for the sticks to dry and stick to the card. If you don't, sometimes this happens. But it's okay if it does, because we can just try again. The more patient you are, the better your results will be, I promise. Feel free to take breaks during the process of adding sticks. It sounds silly, but this gives your card time to adjust to the amount of sticks you're adding to it. The thing that's going to hold your crown together is the amount of glue that you use and the amount of patience that you have to let your glue dry. I can't stress this enough. I had so many stubborn branches that didn't want to stay onto the crown. I just had to give it plenty of time for it to get to that nice and dry and secure stage. Here's what mine looked like when I had finished. Guion cannot wait to see your crowns and how great you look in them. So please send us a pic and keep us entertained. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.